Hello. Hello.
News media and content creators have always had a tough time breaking through to each other.
Usually, a press release sits in an inbox, there's some video that goes with it somewhere, and there's also a middleman
Or woman.
trying to get the content to the right person.
We're bringing that old system down and giving news professionals a way to easily see what content creators, freelancers, and agencies are releasing.
Here's what news teams get: latakoo, the same system you use to send files and collaborate with your internal teams. latakoo Manifest, our assignments and tracking system, powers latakoo Connect, which connects you to the outside world. latakoo Connect is a window, a gateway that allows outside content producers to send story leads, information, and video to your news teams through latakoo.
Here's what content creators get: a way to expose the great material that you're already creating inside a system that's used by the biggest broadcasters in the world, bypassing that wall of disparate devices, sources, and traditions.
We tore down the walls for you.
Now it's your turn. Go ahead and connect.